ArmorRenew Concrete and Deck Resurfacer. ArmorRenew products: textured version, smooth version, ArmorRenew primer. Comes in 20 different colors. Ideal for worn out wooden decks and stairs, concrete, patios, sidewalks, balconies, and other surfaces. Application: temperature 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. No rain for 24 hours. Humidity must be low. Clean the surface using a brush and ArmorRenew patio cleaner or standard cleaner. The surface must be clean and free of dirt, grease, mildew, and organic growth. Loose paint needs to be scraped up. Prepare the surface before application. For light repairs, secure raised nail heads, deck screws, or loose deck boards. Remove loose splinters and rotting boards. Use nap roller to roll out the primer and wait 1 to 2 hours for the primer to dry, depending on temperature. Use a power drill and metal mixer to mix the product to ensure color consistency and mix the aggregate that settled at the bottom. If you have multiple pails, mix both together in a bucket to ensure proper color matching. Use a standard paintbrush to apply ArmorRenew to railings or other vertical surfaces. Use a smaller roller or paintbrush to get hard-to-reach edges. Use a putty knife or other straight edge to remove excess coating between boards. Roll our ArmorRenew with textured roller for a textured finish. We recommend to apply 2 coats of ArmorRenew. Allow ArmorRenew to dry 24 hours if the temperature is between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and 48 hours if the temperature is between 40 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, before light foot traffic in replacing furniture. If the surface is tacky or soft, extend the drying time before putting heavy objects back in place. Full cure to a hard finish will take approximately 7 days. Drying times may vary depending on temperature and humidity.